Giraffe login failures are usually caused by incorrect login details, app connection problems, outdated app versions, or account access issues. By the end, you'll know the main reasons Giraffe won't let you log in and the steps to restore access without losing your account progress. If Giraffe says your login failed, start by checking your email address and password. A single incorrect character can stop the login process, so re-enter your details carefully instead of using saved information that may be outdated. If your password is not working, use the password reset option available through the app. Follow the reset instructions, create a new password, and try logging in again with the updated details. Next, check the Giraffe app itself. An outdated app version can create login problems, so open your device App Store and install any available update. After updating, close the app completely and restart your phone before trying again. Your internet connection can also affect login attempts. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check whether the connection is causing the problem. If you recently changed your email, password, or device, the account may need additional verification before access is restored. Use the same login method and account details you originally registered with. Another common mistake is trying to log in with a different account. If you created Giraffe using one email address, logging in with another email can make it look like your account is missing or unavailable. If these steps do not fix the problem, contact Giraffe support. Include your account email, your device type, the app version if available, and the exact error message shown during login. These details help support identify the cause faster. Avoid repeatedly entering incorrect passwords, because too many failed attempts can create temporary access problems. Reset your password once, confirm your details, and try again after checking your account information. The quickest fix order is simple. Confirm your login details, reset your password if needed, update Giraffe, restart your device, check your connection, and contact support if the issue continues. A failed login does not always mean your account is gone. In many cases, the issue comes from incorrect information, app problems, or connection errors. Your next step is to open Giraffe and verify that you are using the original account details. If this guide helped you restore access, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.